Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with Fidelity, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a Fidelity account on their website. Navigate to the registration section. Input your personal information including your name, email, and phone number. Verify your identity by following the prompts provided. Once your account is set up, log in to your Fidelity dashboard. Explore the various services offered, such as brokerage accounts, retirement accounts, and savings options. Select the type of account that aligns with your financial goals. If you're saving for retirement, consider opening an IRA or 401k. For general savings, a brokerage's account could be more suitable. After choosing your account type, review the investment options available. You can choose from stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs. Use the research tools available on the Fidelity platform to analyze each option. Consider your risk tolerance before making any investments. Once you've selected your investments, determine how much you want to allocate. Set up automatic contributions to your account for consistent saving. Adjust your contributions based on your budget and financial goals. Review your portfolio regularly to monitor its performance. Consider rebalancing your investments to stay aligned with your objectives. Stay informed about market trends and economic news that may impact your investments. Fidelity offers educational resources to enhance your understanding of investing. Utilize customer service if you have any questions or need assistance navigating the platform. Finally, remain patient and disciplined as you work toward your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.